4 children are born at a hospital, each equally likely to be a boy or a girl. Which outcome is most likely? A. All 4 are boys. B. All 4 are girls. C. 2 are girls and 2 are boys. D. 3 are of one gender and 1 is of the other. Or E. All of these are equally likely. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Each child is either a boy or a girl. So with 4 children there are 2 to the 4th power, which is 16 equally likely birth sequences. To compare the outcomes, we just count how many of these 16 sequences match each choice. All 4 boys can happen in only one way. Likewise, all 4 girls can happen in only one way. For exactly 2 girls and 2 boys, we choose which 2 of the 4 children are girls. That is 4 choose 2, which equals 6 ways. Finally, 3 of one gender and 1 of the other. 3 boys and 1 girl gives 4 choose 1, which is 4 ways. And 3 girls and 1 boy gives another 4 ways, for a total of 8 ways. Now compare the counts out of 16. All boys is 1, all girls is 1, 2 and 2 is 6. But 3 and 1 is 8. 8 is the largest, so the 3 and 1 split is the most likely outcome. Notice 1 plus 1 plus 6 plus 8 equals 16, which confirms we counted every sequence. So the most likely outcome is 3 children of one gender and 1 of the other, which is answer choice D.